The Australian stick insect, Extatosoma tyaratum, commonly known as the giant prickly stick insect or Maclay's spectre, is one of the most fascinating insects native to Australia. Known for its remarkable camouflage, this insect closely resembles twigs or branches, allowing it to blend seamlessly into its surroundings to avoid predators. Found primarily in the forests of Queensland and New South Wales, this species has captured the interest of entomologists and insect enthusiasts around the world due to its unique appearance and fascinating behavior. Physical characteristics: the Australian stick insect has evolved to mimic the appearance of a dry stick or thorny branch, an adaptation that provides exceptional protection from predators. Its body is elongated and covered in spiny, thorn-like protrusions. Adult females are larger, reaching up to 20 centimeters in length, and have broader, leaf-like bodies, while males are typically slimmer and smaller, around 11 to 15 centimeters long. Males are also more agile and possess fully developed wings that allow them to fly, whereas females have shorter, underdeveloped wings and are mostly flightless. Both males and females are typically light brown, but some individuals can appear green or even red-brown depending on their environment. This variation further enhances their ability to blend into their surroundings. Life cycle and reproduction. A life cycle of the Australian stick insect is typical of most phasmids, stick insects, involving egg, nymph, and adult stages. Eggs. Female Australian stick insects lay hundreds of eggs throughout their lives, scattering them on the forest floor. The eggs resemble small seeds and can take 6 months to 1 year to hatch, depending on environmental conditions. Interestingly, these eggs are often targeted by ants, which transport them to their nests, where they are protected until they hatch. Nymphs. Once hatched, the nymphs, young stick insects, resemble tiny ants and use this mimicry to avoid predators. As they grow, they molt several times, gradually taking on the appearance of adult stick insects. Adults. After a series of molts, the nymphs become adults. Female stick insects have a longer lifespan than males, living up to 18 months, while males typically live for only a few months after reaching maturity. Females reproduce through both sexual reproduction and parthenogenesis, which allows them to produce offspring without mating. Behavior and feeding. The Australian stick insect is herbivorous, feeding primarily on the leaves of eucalyptus, acacia, and other native Australian plants. They are nocturnal, meaning they are most active at night, and spend much of their time remaining still during the day to avoid detection. Their slow movements, combined with their camouflage, make them extremely difficult for predators to spot. When threatened, the Australian stick insect displays a range of defensive behaviors. One of the most notable is the leaf defense posture, where the insect curls its abdomen upwards, resembling a dead leaf or thorny branch. Females may also make themselves appear larger and more threatening by spreading their wings, even though they are unable to fly. Males, on the other hand, rely more on flight to escape predators. They have a keen sense of their environment and can take off quickly if disturbed. Camouflage and defense mechanisms. A primary defense mechanism of the Australian stick insect is its camouflage, which is incredibly effective in forested environments. Their twig-like bodies and thorny exteriors blend perfectly with their surroundings, making them nearly invisible to predators such as birds, reptiles, and mammals. In addition to their physical appearance, their behavior of remaining motionless during the day enhances their ability to avoid detection. Some individuals also exhibit color variation based on their environment, with the ability to change from brown to green depending on the types of leaves they are surrounded by. Ecological role. The Australian stick insect plays an important role in its ecosystem as both a herbivore and a prey species. By feeding on a variety of leaves, they help manage plant growth and contribute to the natural balance within their habitats. Additionally, they serve as a food source for numerous predators, including birds and small mammals. Their eggs, which are often carried into ant nests, have a symbiotic relationship with ants. The ants transport and protect the eggs in exchange for the nutrient-rich cap found on the eggs, which the ants consume without harming the developing nymphs. The Australian stick insect is a remarkable example of evolution, showcasing the power of mimicry and adaptation in the natural world. Its twig-like appearance and fascinating behaviors, combined with its relatively peaceful existence as a leaf eater, make it a favorite among insect enthusiasts and a valuable part of Australia's diverse ecosystems. From its intricate camouflage to its unique reproductive strategies, this insect highlights the incredible complexity and beauty of nature's designs. Thank you for watching, guys.